Hello guys and gals, welcome to one ahead of smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy S9. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to turn the flash on and off while taking pictures and videos on the S9. If you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody looking for this information, please do share it with them. First thing we're going to want to do is go into our camera app, and from here we could take a picture. Right now I'm set on auto, and the way that I know that is right down here at the bottom there is an A with a little lightning symbol by it, the little flash sign. I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of something up close and try to make it as dark as we can get it. And it should be turning on a flash. So there you guys have it. You guys were able to see that flash go on. So if you want, it's usually preset to auto. If you want to turn the flash on, permanently on, just like that, you can turn it on. If you want to turn it off, flash turned off and it's permanently off no matter what the lighting scenario is. And then turn it back on to auto works as well. So here's the other thing too, is if for the video, all you have to do once it's set is just hit the record button. As you guys can see, that light did turn on. So if we stop it, there's no way to change in between videos. You can't pause it and then change it. It's set to auto, set to on. So we can record our video with it on as well. So just like that, it turns on. And then if we go back into the video, we can also turn it off. And just like that, it is off, it's not on. So that is how to turn the flash on and off for videos and photos on the Samsung Galaxy S9. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody looking for this information, once again, please go ahead and share it with them. And if you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the Galaxy S9, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.